redphotographers.com. Peter here, guys, with another review from Godox company. Today we're gonna review the adapter kit from Godox AK-R1, which is for AD200, but you can turn any flash to V1. Don't worry. Today I'm gonna tell you how with this little converter you can turn almost any flash to V1 or other competitive brands out there. Today I'm using Godox AD200 Mark II for my Canon. And I got this adapter. This is also from Godox. It is gonna turn this rectangular form to the circular form. So all of the adapter for V1 is going to be compatible to this flash, and as I said, to all flashes. After unboxing this kit, what you will get is this beautiful compact kit that I always had craving of having something like this in my bag. Why? Because when we wanted to buy bounce card or things like diffusers or domes, you go check it out online, you get like half the big things that you just don't have enough space, because when you're doing any project you just want to downsize whatever gear and whatever equipment that you have, right? So this is great. You almost put 8 different head for your flash in this pack, and when you open it up you'll get this, and I'm gonna tell you what is the correct way of using this kind of equipment attached to your flash and why. I'm gonna put this guy right here. Okay, you screw it on, tight and nice. It'll be there. Okay, this is magnetic. The first part is the barn door. Barn door is very important when you comes to videography especially, but for photography you can totally control the light. You can close these leaves. It has 4 leaves and easily, like a magnet, it is magnetic. It comes in front. So you can close it and make a rectangular shape if you want to get some sort of nude shots with a strap on the body, cutting the body, this kind of creative way of shooting. Barn door is my first option. I totally recommend you. This barn door is like a gold. Second is snoot. Snoot is another way of controlling like a spotlight, especially for product photography. It is going to narrow down the beam of light and have it in the spot that you want. This is great for portraiture, for product photography, if you want to tell some sort of story in your photos. You can attach this magnetic part, just stuff it in, and then boom, you're done. Again, you put it like a magnet right here, and they're really snappy. The third one is this guy right here. When you have a wide angle lens, it will give you a nice spread of light. The coverage of the light will be more when you use this. It is equal to what you have on your flash, but this one is round and it will give you a round light on your subject. When you want to do flash photography, what you need to keep in your mind is like where to make the shadows. Don't think where should be lit. Think about how with that light you can make shadows, because photography is all about making those surfaces to be in contrast. Okay, or if you want it flat, you can do flat as well. It will give a very nice pattern to your photo as well. Next is honeycomb. Honeycombs comes in different angles. In this kit, it gives you, I think, 60-degree angle, which is great, and I totally recommend to get it. This is another way of controlling light. When you're doing wedding, you can use this a lot at night. If you want to get this dome, just this dome, check it out online. It's gonna be this bulky domes. One of the things that I see people do wrong is like, you're supposed not to use a dome outdoor. This is for indoor photography. In order to bounce the light everywhere in a room or in the reception room in wedding, for example, you're gonna use this, and you just easily, again, snap it right here. You're gonna use this. You can also use this guy with the card that I'm gonna explain to you after. You can use it with the bounce card as well. This bounce card, it can be angled. You can use it like this. But when you want to use the bounce card, you need to turn your flash this way. This is very important. I saw a video on YouTube, a guy was using it like this. This way you will kill all the light. About the bounce card, after dome card, I'm gonna explain. Dome cards are great indoor. Highly recommend you. It's gonna amplify the light a lot for you. So you can take advantage of this. And after dome, I mean, this is great. And great thing about it, you can easily collapse it. You can take every part apart. You can just, as I told you, everything will be in this bag. All of these things will be in this bag. The snoot, it is foldable and it becomes flat. As easy as that. Look at this. I mean, look at this. The barn door easily collapses and becomes like a card. Where these things been? Like 5 years ago when we needed it. In wedding, in studios. These are like gold, you know. This kit is, I think, $30, $35, and it is really, really priceless. Let's come back to the card. Cards are also for outdoor and indoor use, and it has two sides, black, that we call it flag, and then the white one. If you want to balance the ambient light, which is the sun, with your flash, which is artificial light, you need to use these cards, okay? You need to use these cards, and for that it has another adapter, and there are two of them are totally transparent and white without any color. So this one you can put your own gel. If you want red, for example, want to get creative, you can use this. If you want to shoot outdoor under direct sun with the card, you turn this white to yellow by putting it right here with another adapter that it has, okay? So it's as simple as that. Bounce cards can be used indoor and outdoor. So when you're under the direct sun, you can use it with the help of those gels, and you can easily snap it up here, and it has two angles for you. It can be angled. The usage of this is when you want to bounce the power of the light to the ceiling. It bounces around, it comes back to your subject wherever you're focusing without the card. With the card, you are controlling the light. Remember, flash photography is all about controlling the light. You control the light this way, and you light up your subject with bounce card. If you want to kill the light, okay, let's say you want less light, then this is when black part of it, which is, we call it flag, it comes to account. You can reduce the amount of light. This thing hasn't been around, guys, like even a year ago, and it is, as I said 10 times, it's really, really, really priceless. And look, I hope you like this video. Get this kit if you need it. It is perfect for Godox flashes. You can use it for other flashes, and totally recommend it. It's super compact, and it really made me happy when I just saw it. I just bought it right away. This video is not sponsored by Godox company. This is just my kindness to them, and try to help you out and you know, learn something from someone else somewhere else. redphotographers.com. Peter here, guys. Catch up with you next time.